Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send voice messages on the role settings on your permissions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click roles. Now click here, click permissions, and here as you see you will find it. You will find here send voice messages. Click on it like this, and here as you see save here. Click on it and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.